Hey, welcome everybody. I'm back again with another video on how to install your Windows updates if you are facing this error.
Before we start our video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon and select all so you can receive latest updates from us.
So this error says that we need to uninstall this application, but if we go to our application list, we don't see this application listed over there. So now we need to find the root cause of this error. I found a very useful link over here. I will share in the video description as well. So this states that we need to go to C Windows and then Panther folder. So let's go to open this folder up. I'm going to C drive, and right there I will go to the Windows folder, and then I will look for Panther. Okay, and right here let's go to yes. So we need to open this file, but the latest version. We do see a lot of files over there. Let's search for this one. So it's filter out the things. Okay, so we do see a lot of other files as well. We need to open the latest one. So if we see, these are sorted by dates. These on 17/7. So this one is on 28th and 07/2021. Okay, so in my case I will open this file, and yes, edit with Notepad++. This would be better for you. If you don't have, please download this little tool. This is very useful to beautify your maybe text or any other HTML source code. So let's open this. Okay, so in my case I have resolved this issue already. So let's search for the things that how we fix this. So this link says that we need to search for this thing, right? Till here. You don't need to copy this full stop at the end, but just copy this one and go to your XML file that we just opened. Actually we need to open these files, you know, the latest one. So just search for it, this string. In my case, because I have already updated the Windows and I have fixed this error, so I don't see any issue in this file, because this file was generated later on after the Windows is updated. So there are a lot of previous versions. So let's try the previous version. In your case you will be using this version, because you must be able to see the error over here. When you look for this string, it should be over there, but in my case it is present in my older versions, because this version was created after the Windows is updated. So I will just close this version because this is the latest one. I don't see any issues currently, so I will look for maybe some older version for you guys only, but you will be using this the latest version. So let's open this and search for the same string over here. So yeah, I can find there is some application that might like blocking. Okay, if you're using this Notepad++, you would be able to see these are some XML tags, so we can collapse and expand these. So I'm going to expand collapse this one, because I do see there is some, where is it? Okay, so I need to collapse the parent of this one. So I will collapse this decision maker tag. Okay, so I will go a little bit more up, and I will look for we see type data source, and just above it we see type inventory. Okay, And then here we actually find out the path of the application actually that is causing this issue. So there might be more than one application, but in my case this was the application, and this was the error was actually same that I have VirtualBox installed and I need to remove it, but I wasn't able to find it in my computer. I just look everywhere, but this wasn't present in my application listings or anywhere. But finally I just find out this path, so I just got there and I removed this application. So there could be multiple application in your case, so you need to remove all of them one by one. So once you have updated your Windows, then you can reinstall them, so there's no issue with that. So let's see what's the next instructions in there. But it says that you need to repeat this step. So what I suggest you keep doing until you keep finding multiple true entities with the blocking status. So keep going, and after install this antivirus installation, okay, it's suggesting that most of the times it's some Kaspersky endpoint. So this application might be causing this issue, but I will really say that you go through this XML file and you go step by step and just uninstall these applications, and the issue will be fixed. After that, you can restart your computer. Maybe if you don't need, then you can try your update again, so it will be fixed. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you guys for your love and support. If you have further queries, please comment below and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Bye bye.